Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy spicy vinegar sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite vinegar, like white or rice vinegar, for the base. Next, grab around 5 to 7 fresh chili peppers, such as bird's eye or serrano, and 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. These few items are all you need to start this flavorful journey. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Take your 5 to 7 chili peppers and carefully slice them into thin rounds or small pieces. Remember, the smaller the pieces, the more heat will infuse into your sauce. Next, finely mince your 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. If you prefer a milder sauce, you can remove some of the chili seeds and membranes before slicing. This step is crucial for flavor. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to combine them. Place all the sliced chili peppers and minced garlic into a clean, airtight jar. Then, pour your 1 cup of chosen vinegar over the ingredients, making sure everything is completely submerged. To balance the heat and acidity, add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of sugar. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything together evenly. The final step is the easiest: patience. For the best flavor, allow your spicy vinegar sauce to infuse for at least 24 hours at room temperature. This resting period lets all those wonderful flavors meld together. After the initial infusion, store your sauce in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this incredibly versatile sauce with your favorite dishes, from dumplings to grilled meats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.